All right, now I'm going to show you method 2. So the first method was the distribution method, where we were distributing the outside number into every term inside the parentheses. Well, our other method, because 4 is being multiplied by the set of parentheses, is the division method. So you would divide by that number that is on the outside of the parentheses that is being multiplied in, technically. So what's being multiplied by 2x minus 1? 4. So how do we get rid of that 4? We're going to divide by 4. These will cancel out. Whatever you do to one side, you do to the other. So what are we left with? 2x minus 1. We don't need the parentheses anymore because that was showing 4 was multiplying into the parentheses. So we're left with 2x minus 1. The parentheses are no longer necessary because we got rid of that 4. So it's greater than, well, what's 4 divided by 4? 1. Okay, so now we're left with this. Remember SADMEP. And I'll rewrite it again: subtraction, addition, division, multiplication, exponents, parentheses. So what do we have going on in this inequality here? Well, we have subtraction, we're subtracting 1, and we have multiplication, 2 times x. What do we deal with first, based off SADMEP? The subtraction. How do you undo subtraction? By addition. So since we're subtracting 1, we're going to add 1 to both sides. These cancel out because they're inverse operations, and you're left with 2x. Greater than 1 plus 1 is 2. So you're going to divide by 2 because we're left with 2 times x, and we want to get rid of this 2 right here to have x by itself. 2x divided by 2, you're left with x. Greater than 2 divided by 2 is 1. Same exact answer that we got before. That's how you know you got it right. If anything, you can always plug in a number that is greater than 1 based off of this inequality here and see if it's true. And then you would also get the same graph as you did with method 1. So those are the two methods to solving inequalities that have distribution.